Hello lads, we're going to take a look at the 2006 higher level ellipse parabola question. Remember, the ellipse and the parabola are the things that will give you the greatest marks. Let's just take a look at this one now. So we draw the outline of the parabola AB. There you have it. You can divide that up. Now I always say 4. This one is going to take it a little bit more, but I think 4 is more than adequate. In this case, we have 5, but just go 4. Your vertex is at A. So from A, we have the division lines. Remember that. So it's a half a parabola and a half a parabola. So you draw the half parabola there. A is your vertex, not B, the way some people make the mistake. So you can reflect the shape in these lines like that, or else you can go down and draw a second half of a parabola at the bottom. And there you have it. Half a parabola on top, half a parabola on the bottom. So clever enough. People might think that B is the vertex. It's not. Read the question. A and C are the vertices. So then you can lighten up those lines and get your exercise ready for the ellipse. So you come in 100 there, draw your major axis. You now have 2 points on the ellipse, F and D. So we can draw those. Come on, that's up to the point, the 0, back to the center, and in here to give us the minor axis. We could have done the same thing here as well. We could have brought that up to there, back to the center, and come over. We have our minor axis, or our minor auxiliary circle, and then we draw our ellipse. Now remember, ellipse and parabola, that's where the marks go. Now look how important it is to keep the lines light. Okay, so we have that. Now, the final portion is just that little portion is going to be taken out of that there. So it's a simple enough little exercise, just coming across, measuring by reflection on that, and there you have that question. You can go back over this one, lads, as many times as you want and finish it up. Okay, lads, thank you.